Hi, welcome to Mawson Station, Antarctica. Might be a little surprising to people who haven't been south, but especially here at Mawson, we don't actually usually get snow falling on top of us. It usually gets blown at us at a high rate of speed by the wind. So today's different. No wind and snow falls, and so making the most of it, because right now it actually looks like a winter wonderland. We have white almost everywhere. Still down about -20, so still cold, but without the wind chill, much better. Making the most of it, because tomorrow the winds are back and it'll all be blown away. So we'll be back to our normal weather.